What's up, speed demons? Today, we're diving into the most insane pickup trucks ever built. Machines that completely redefine what it means to be a work truck. We're talking about vehicles that can haul your boat on Saturday and embarrass supercars on Sunday. From factory-built monsters to custom-tuned rockets, these 10 trucks prove that horsepower and practicality can live in perfect harmony. Before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button because we're about to take you on a wild ride through automotive history. When most people think of pickup trucks, they picture slow workhorses designed for construction sites. But the trucks on today's list are anything but ordinary. These are the rebels that said, "Why can't I tow a trailer and outrun a Ferrari?" So buckle up, because we're counting down the absolute fastest pickup trucks ever created. Number 10, the Ram 1500 TRX, 0 to 60 in 4.5 seconds. Starting at number 10, we have the Ram 1500 TRX, and this thing is absolutely mental. Imagine taking the legendary Hellcat engine and stuffing it into a pickup truck body. That's exactly what Ram did, and the result is spectacular. Under the hood lies a supercharged 6.2-liter V8, producing 702 horsepower and 650 pound-feet of torque. That's more power than most supercars from the 1990s. The TRX rockets from 0 to 60 in 4.5 seconds, which is insane when you remember this beast weighs over 6,000 pounds. It's like watching a freight train sprint. But the TRX isn't just about straight-line speed. This truck was engineered to be a desert-running monster, capable of flying over sand dunes at triple-digit speeds. It comes with specialized off-road suspension, massive all-terrain tires, and enough ground clearance to tackle terrain that would stop sports cars dead. The fact that it can also haul 8,100 pounds is just the cherry on top. Number 9, the Ford F-150 Lightning, 0 to 60 in 4.4 seconds. At number 9, we're taking a dramatic turn into the future with Ford's F-150 Lightning. Now, I know what you're thinking, an electric truck on a speed list? But this silent assassin is about to change everything you think about electric vehicles. The Lightning produces 563 horsepower and a massive 775 pound-feet of torque, hitting 60 miles per hour in 4.4 seconds. But here's the kicker. That torque is available instantly. Unlike gas engines that need to build RPMs, electric motors deliver maximum torque from 0 RPM. When you step on the accelerator, there's no waiting, just immediate, relentless acceleration that pins you to your seat. The Lightning's performance is made even more impressive by how it delivers that power. There's no roaring engine, just a subtle whir, as you silently demolish everything in your rearview mirror. It's acceleration in its purest form, and it's absolutely mind-bending to experience. Number 8, the Ford F-150 Raptor R, 0 to 60 in 4.2 seconds. Number 8 brings us Ford's direct answer to the TRX, the F-150 Raptor R. If the regular Raptor was a desert runner, the Raptor R is a desert dominator, engineered to thrive in high-speed off-road adventures. At the heart lies a supercharged 5.2-liter V8, producing 700 horsepower, the same basic engine from the Shelby GT 500 Mustang. This power plant delivers massive torque while maintaining the reliability needed for serious off-road work. The Raptor R accelerates to 60 in 4.2 seconds. But that's just the beginning. This truck was designed to maintain those speeds over the roughest terrain imaginable. We're talking suspension travel measured in feet, Fox Racing shocks that cost more than some cars, and tires specifically designed to grip in sand, rocks, and everything in between. The sound is pure theater. That supercharged V8 produces a symphony of controlled chaos. Number 7. The Chevrolet Silverado 1500Z R. 2. Bison 0 to 60 in 4.0 seconds. Lucky number 7 takes us into sub-4 second territory with the Silverado ZR2 Bison. Don't let the rugged appearance fool you. This truck means serious business, hitting 60 miles per hour in exactly 4.0 seconds. Under the hood sits a naturally aspirated 6.2-liter V8, producing 420 horsepower. While those numbers might seem modest compared to supercharged monsters, the ZR2 proves it's not just about peak power, it's about how you use it. This truck can spend Monday conquering the Rubicon Trail and Wednesday embarrassing sports cars at the drag strip. The ZR2 features specialized skid plates, rock sliders, and armor designed to protect vital components during serious off-road adventures. It's the Swiss Army knife of performance trucks, capable of doing everything well and several things exceptionally. The driving experience maintains a raw, mechanical feel that connects you directly to the road. Number 6. The GMC Syclone 0 to 60 in 4.3 seconds. Number 6 takes us back to 1991 with the legendary GMC Syclone, a truck so far ahead of its time, it's still impressive today. The Syclone represents one of the most audacious experiments in automotive history. Starting with a compact S15 pickup, GMC added a turbocharged 4.3-liter V6 producing 280 horsepower. In 1991, those were supercar numbers. It accelerated to 60 in 4.3 seconds and completed the quarter mile in 13.4 seconds at 95 miles per hour. Car and driver famously pitted it against a Ferrari 348Ts in a drag race, and the Syclone won decisively. Number 5. The Shelby F-150 Super Snake Sport 0 to 60 in 3.9 seconds. At number 5, we enter legendary territory with the Shelby F-150 Super Snake Sport. When Carroll Shelby's company gets their hands on a Ford pickup, something magical happens, and the Super Snake delivers in every way. Shelby transformed Ford's F-150 into a fire-breathing monster, producing over 750 horsepower from its supercharged 5.0-liter V8. This isn't just bolt-on parts. It's a complete reimagining of what a pickup truck can be. The Super Snake rockets to 60 in 3.9 seconds, officially entering hypercar territory. What makes this truck special isn't just raw acceleration. It's the pedigree. The Shelby name represents decades of racing success and performance innovation. The attention to detail is extraordinary. Custom bodywork, specialized suspension, high-performance brakes, and luxury interior appointments. The sound is pure automotive poetry, refined yet aggressive, civilized yet wild. Number 4. The Hennessey VelociRaptor V8, 0 to 60 in 3.8 seconds. Number 4 brings serious hypercar territory with the Hennessey VelociRaptor V8. When Texas tuning legends get their hands on Ford's Raptor platform, the results are spectacular. Hennessey transforms the Raptor into a 758 horsepower monster through extensive modifications. The VelociRaptor rockets to 60 in 3.8 seconds while maintaining all of the Raptor's off-road capability. It's a truck that can tow your race car to the track, then embarrass that same car in a straight line Number 3. The Ford F-150 Lightning SuperTruck, 0 to 60 in 3.5 seconds. The bronze medal goes to Ford's experimental Lightning SuperTruck, representing the cutting edge of electric vehicle technology. This isn't your everyday Lightning. It's Ford's vision of what's possible when chasing pure performance. The SuperTruck produces over 1,400 horsepower from its advanced electric drivetrain, rocketing to 60 in 3.5 seconds. Electric powertrains offer advantages internal combustion cannot match: instant torque delivery, precise power control, and independent wheel management. The SuperTruck showcases all these advantages spectacularly. Number 2. The Dodge Ram SRT 10, top speed 154 miles per hour. Our runner-up is the bonkers Dodge Ram SRT 10, representing one of the most audacious engineering decisions in history. Dodge engineers looked at the Viper's V10 and asked, what if we put this in a pickup truck? Pure automotive madness resulted. The SRT-10 takes the legendary 8.3-liter V10 from the Dodge Viper and shoehorns it into a pickup chassis. This engine produces 500 horsepower and 525 pound-feet of torque. Insane numbers for early 2000s pickups. With a top speed of 154 miles per hour, the SRT-10 held the world's fastest production pickup title for years. Number 1, the Hennessey Mammomth 1000 TRX, 0 to 60 in 3.2 seconds. Taking the crown as fastest pickup ever, the Hennessey Mammomth 1000 TRX. This is what happens when you take an already insane TRX and hand it to Hennessey performance wizards. The Mammomth 1000 produces exactly what its name suggests: over 1,000 horsepower from its heavily modified supercharged V8. This rockets from 0 to 60 in 3.2 seconds faster than most supercars, most motorcycles, and definitely faster than anything should be while still hauling trailers. Hennessey upgraded virtually every system to handle the massive power, strengthened internals, upgraded fuel system, enhanced cooling, improved exhaust, and recalibrated management. The driving experience is otherworldly, acceleration so violent it changes your perception of what's possible. This truck can tow 8,000 pounds Saturday and embarrass Lamborghinis Sunday. And there you have it. 10 pickup trucks that completely redefine work vehicles. From electric rockets accelerating in silence to supercharged monsters announcing their presence from 3 states away, these trucks prove utility and performance aren't mutually exclusive. Which speed demon surprised you most? The Silent Lightning, Raw SRT-10, or Insane Mammomth 1000? Drop a comment and let me know which you'd want in your driveway. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe for more automotive insanity, and hit that notification bell. Until next time, keep it fast and keep it real.